Blessed guys, we're here once again with Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo. I'm here with Kayonjaes. Pick up yourself and introduce yourself to the people then.
Hi guys, well it's Kayonjaes. I'm making ice cream, grape nut, rum and raisin, cookies and cream, etc. There's a lot more to come. Ice cream cake as well and all of that. So yeah, looking forward to see you as well.
Alright guys, on the menu for you guys today, I'll be doing fish. And I'll be stuffing my fish today with some natural vegetables. So I have okra, carrot, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, and I've also got my veg here, my pak chow. I've also got my pumpkin as well. Nice sweet pumpkin. I've got my thyme as well to bring my essence, my flavor out. I've got my red onion. I've got my normal onion, and I've also, this is gonna be like my little salad, you get me? I'm gonna add a little bit of salad to the end with my cucumber, so that's gonna be at the end. Kayon, what do you think?
Yes, it looks good. I've
also got some turmeric as well, like, because you know I'm trying to prepare healthy food.
Natural stuff.
Natural stuff, organic stuff as well. This is my seasoning. I've put all my seasoning together. These are my seasonings here that I've been using. My all-purpose seasoning. I've got my mixed seasoning, different type of herbs and spices here going on. I also got another all-purpose seasoning here, Old Bay. And my oil that I'm going to be using today is pure 100% coconut oil. And I've also got my infused olive oil with a bit of garlic as well. I'm going to be using that today as well, guys. So check it out, and I've also got my fresh garlic as well. So I'm going to be using a lot of garlic because garlic is good for your body. Garlic is part of our antibiotics that help with your body. If your body is breaking down, if you've got a cold, if certain things are going on wrong in your body, or you feel like, well, I need to fix up something's going on, garlic, ginger and your honey and your turmeric, natural, yeah? You understand? Yeah. I'm going to start off by peeling my carrot. So my carrot, simply I'm just going to cut off the end, the two ends, and peeling my carrot, all I'm going to do is just simply scrape it. So I just simply scrape my carrot. I don't really like to peel the carrot because I don't want to get all my essence, all my flavor, because you know in the skin of the carrot as well, the carrot carries its own flavor inside of the skin as well. Different layers in the carrot gives you different taste, different flavor. Because if you notice in the middle of the carrot, when you cut the carrot, it's got like a little round bit in the carrot here that's long, and that's separate from the carrot. So this is what I'm talking about. Look, you see that middle part there? When you bust the carrot and open it up, that middle part there comes out separately. So that's got a different flavour in the carrot, separate from the rest of the carrot, separate from the skin of the carrot. Did you know about that, Kayon?
Well, no, I'm learning something.
Alright. Where can the people then find you?
They can go on Instagram, Kayonjaes, type in Kayonjaes, and that's me there. I've got a WhatsApp number to give out later on as well, so yeah.
Great. So your ice cream, how did you start off?
You know what? Funny enough, I'm an ice cream lover. I love ice cream.
Okay.
I go all over the place, Baskin Robbins to buy ice cream.
Just for ice cream?
Just for ice cream. So one day, me and my children was driving around, and they're like, "Mom, can we have some ice cream?" I'm like, "Yeah." And I just start making ice cream, and they're like, "It's nice." So, you know, that's it.
So when you're at home, like, and the kids want their dessert, they're getting the proper luxury ice cream, right?
Yep, proper luxury ice cream.
So
homemade.
Do you ever, because you know, like when they go to the ice cream dessert place, they like to have their waffles and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. Do you ever make that for them as well?
Oh yes, I do.
Okay.
I do make waffles.
Nice.
And cake. I can bake as well.
You can bake. So yes. Tell the people about
banana cake, all of that. Yeah, I'm good. Like, you know, with baking. I'm a pastry person. I really like dessert. I'm a dessert girl, sweet tooth.
There's our garlic. We're not gonna eat this part of the garlic, but it's been proven to say that this part of the garlic here carries a lot of element as well as natural healing, nutrition and stuff like that for the body. So even though we've got the garlic itself, but the trash of the garlic itself, if you ever feel a little bit low in your body and you feel like you wanna boost up back your immune system, you know that we've got the garlic here. I've got my...
You can boil it.
You can boil it. I've got my turmeric here. And I've also got my ginger here. These are, just this alone is good enough to boost up back your immune system.
Alkaline the body.
Alkaline back your body as well. So now I'm slowly cutting my pumpkin. So I take out the heart of my pumpkin, which has the seeds and everything. So I'll just slightly remove that.
I'm just gonna season them real quick while he's preparing all of that. And don't worry, my hands is already washed. Yeah?
You hear that, people? Our hands are already washed. So you don't put that in the comment and say, but we never see her wash.
Wash our hands. Yeah. And them wash.
Yeah, just like
standing here waiting.
Just like the vegetable, everything's already washed as well.
Yeah. So you don't want to put too much of this either because it'll be too
salty.
Too salty. Just a little bit in the head as well.
So as I've now peeled my pumpkin, I'm gonna start to slice my pumpkin nice and thin so I can get them at the right size to be stuffed inside of the fish. So I'm gonna get them nice and small. No particular shape, but just really tiny, really, you know? Slicing the okra.
So we don't have to cook all this?
I've been cooking for years, you know, Kian. Yeah, from home cooking.
How long now?
Well, over 20 years.
Over 20 years?
Over 20 years, yeah. So now I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric, not too much turmeric. I'm slicing up my turmeric now. Also, I'm going to be using my Scotch bonnet pepper. That's going to add the heat to the fish. It's got my red onion as well. And also I'm going to use a bit of white onion as well. Just a little bit. This is my pap chow, so I'm going to be slicing up my pap chow in nice small sizes. This is what I'm going to be stuffing my fish with today. As I've got my colours on going on in here, come and have a look. That's good. Now I'm going to pop this in the pan. So all my vegetables are cut up and ready to go in the pan. before I stuff the fish, I'm gonna lightly steam the vegetable before I stuff it, and I'm gonna put 1 pack of Grace chicken flavored noodle in there also as well. So basically now, our steamed veg is in the pot, just steaming down. This is our fish here, well seasoned and ready to be wrapped up and stuffed with our steamed veg. So let me go and check it out, guys, and see what I've got over there. Okay, and it smells nice.
Yeah, nice. Can't wait to eat. My belly hungry still.
So come and have a
All
look.
day.
This is what's happening here. So we've got our steamed veg that's already steamed down and everything. So this is what I'm going to be using today to be stuffing the fish. Have a look. All right. So okay, and let's get started.
So I'm gonna stuff from the head, go down. And guys, I like to turn the fish sideways so I can actually get it wrapped properly. To get a full length of it.
Let's put some butter on there as well.
You wanna put butter on it?
So while we're stuffing, I put a little bit of butter on the outside so that it doesn't stick.
Well, this is how I wrap it. Are you comfortable with that?
Okay, let's have a look.
How you want me to do that? So the juice don't run out, yeah?
Okay. In we go. Hey guys, we're at the end of our show today, and it's been great having you guys on our show today. Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen, cooking
with Kayonjaes, and we're doing roast fish in
we're doing roast fish in a different style, stuffed with pumpkin, pak chow, all the ingredients, onions, garlic, ginger, thyme. Look, let me show you what time it is.
all the good things.
The flavor that's coming out of the oven, out of the stuffed fish in the foil paper is amazing. So we have our fishes are here. It's really hot, but I'm touching at the edge. If you can look here. Oops, sorry.
That's
Okay.
alright, that's alright.
You wanna unravel? Yes, please.
Steamy. Hey, look at that. Well, steamy and nice. Smell good. Yeah.
So if you have a look, guys, this is our stuffed fish with all our veg and everything inside of it. Look at it, it looks so amazing. The flavors that's coming out of it is so delicious. Kayon, dig in.
Yeah. Oh my god. It smells real good. Can't wait to taste it. Right, I want to get a bit of fish, pumpkin, everything. Hot, don't want it to burn me. Hot, but it's nice, really nice.
Is it really nice, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Pepper is good as well. Yeah, nice and meaty.
So guys, as you can hear from Kayon, she's our ice cream lady. She makes ice cream, and she's enjoying the fish today. She also helped in the preparation and helped seasoning, so she's saying nice to her hands as well,
yes,
because she had an input with this today as well with Ringo Vision. So Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and you can at Ringo Vision on Instagram, Twitter and also on YouTube. Kayon, where can they find you?
On Instagram, type in Kayonjaes, I'm all there.
Nice one, guys. Thank you very much for having Ringo Vision with you today alongside Kayonjaes. Big up yourself, Kayonjaes.
Big up yourself.
Thank you very much for coming on the program today, yeah?
Thank you.
Bless up, guys, and we'll see you again soon.
Hi guys, this is Kayon from Kayonjaes Ice Cream. I've got 3 flavors here. I've got rum and raisin, and I've got grape nuts, and I've got cookies and cream, which is this one. I mean, I should have a spoon to show it all in it, but yeah. Next time, I'll show you exactly what it's like. More flavors to come as well. See you soon.